Taking inputs right now, I'm learning that Vinesh Fogart finally has announced her decision to fight from the seat of Julana. Only Vinesh Fogart will be contesting this election. Remember, reports were also raising questions about whether or not Bajrang Punia will be fighting. But now we are learning that as what reports were indicating, Vinesh Fogart will now be fighting from the seat of Julana, which also happens to be very close to her, considering she was married off from the Julana seat. She will not be fighting from Charki Dadri, as was also being considered earlier. Remember, Babita Fogart, her cousin, is fighting from Charki Dadri. Let's quickly go across to Shirin for more inputs. Shirin, important to also highlight why she's chosen Julana.
Well, the CEC meeting has just got over. We have been told that around 15 seats have been cleared, and one such seat is of Vinesh Fogart. Like we broke yesterday as well, only Vinesh Fogart is going to contest and not Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia will be given a more important post in the Congress party. Apart from that, what we are being told by the sources is that Julana seat is what has in fact been shortlisted for Vinesh Fogart. Now, what is the reason for Julana being the constituency is because that is her the resident of Sombir, the husband of Vinesh Fogart, and she has in fact been married off to that place. And also the father-in-law of Vinesh Fogart is someone who is a local leader there. He also has a strong base over there, and it is believed that he could be able to bring in more support, garner more support for Vinesh Fogart in Julana, and that is why this particular seat has now been given to Vinesh Fogart. Now, the sources tell us that in coming days, she will in fact be filing her nomination and will be starting her campaign from Julana. So this is a big development as far as Vinesh Fogart is concerned. Today, she joined the party, and now it is cleared, the CEC has cleared her name to contest from Julana.